new friend in our group, but one of our old friend, that's Nisha, a master music composer and a great video editor. And we have his son also, Yongjin.
Hello.
Hello, Yongjin. So, and Nala is here with us. You keep on going straight, you'll reach Medic. So this, you take right, you reach Scorpio. This is our off-road location. People, we've just crossed Dudia and then Dakhali, and then our location will be somewhere out there. That's the place.
ठिकै छ त्यही लाइन हो लेफ्ट 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 लेफ्ट
My plan was to turn the vehicle from this point, but I could not turn the vehicle. This is when I knew I was in big trouble.
रोक
गाडी अगाडि लानु है
अगाडि यता काट्नु न यता
We need to reverse the vehicle. I have no idea how will I be able to reverse, because you cannot see stones out there, but there are stones that side. Looks complicated. Let's see how will we manage it.
Back, I know. Back कहाँ गो? अगाडि टर्न गरेर. बस.
Let me explain what's happening out there. Since I could not turn my vehicle, I had to return in the reverse gear. And this is where things got really complicated for me.
सीधा सीधा. टर्न 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 त्यो ढुङ्गा हेरेर टर्न. टर्न टर्न टर्न. भएन भएन.
People, we are still stuck. One of the GoPro's battery is dead. I'm telling you, I'm not a pro driver. We're stuck in the location, in this particular location, and I need to make sure I come back to back. Things are really complicated for me. I'm learning, but yes. Nova is guiding me to the direction right here, because it's very hard to make it out here.
ठिकै छ. आयो आयो. टर्न टर्न टर्न. टर्न टर्न. टर्न टर्न. ठिकै छ. टर्न. आयो आयो आयो. टर्न गरे टर्न गरे. टर्न टर्न. टर्न टर्न. गयो गयो. Yes, yes. आयो. आयो आयो. आउनु आउनु आउनु. आयो. काटे काटे. बस बस आयो आयो आयो. Yes, 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 yes. मार्छ होला. झन्डै हान्ने. भेटेन. अगाडि आउनु हुँदैन लाग्छ. यति मात्रै छ.
The reason why I'm using this stone is I don't want my Scorpio to move ahead, and you all can see my rear tires. It's stuck in the stone, and I don't have space ahead also to make a turn. This is where I knew I was in big trouble. My friend Nawa came with this idea of using Crocs. See how Crocs has saved my day.
सिधै रिभर्स भत्तै तान्नु पर्छ पछाडिपट्टि चढाउन लागि. अगाडि आएर नि भत्तै तान्नु पर्छ. Yes, yes. Out. Out. Okay.